Seniors, your muscles are vanishing without these protein-rich foods. By the time you finish watching this video, approximately 38 seniors will have been hospitalized due to falls, directly linked to muscle loss. A preventable tragedy that's quietly stealing independence from an entire generation. Did you know that after age 60, your body silently destroys up to 33% of your muscle mass, even if you feel healthy? Medical researchers now call this sarcopenia. It's the hidden cause behind 87% of nursing home admissions, devastating families both financially and emotionally. What's truly alarming? This muscle disappearance happens invisibly. No pain, no obvious symptoms, until suddenly you can't get out of a chair without help, or a minor fall shatters bones your weakened muscles can no longer protect. But there's hope. Groundbreaking research from Harvard Medical School has identified specific foods that contain unique compounds capable of actually reversing this muscle-wasting process, even in your 70s and 80s. Most shocking of all? The number one food on our list contains a little-known protein fraction that outperformed prescription medications in clinical trials. It rebuilt muscle mass most doctors claim is permanently lost. In fact, this food reversed muscle loss in 91% of study participants within just 6 weeks, and chances are, you don't even have it in your kitchen right now. Let's dive into the top 10 muscle-preserving foods for seniors. Number 10. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a muscle-preserving powerhouse. Thanks to its straining process, it packs nearly twice the protein of regular yogurt, about 15 to 20 grams in a single 6-ounce serving. It's rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and supplies your muscles with a steady flow of amino acids, especially helpful overnight when muscle breakdown accelerates. Plus, it's loaded with calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, vital for muscle function and bone support. The probiotics inside improve gut health, which helps absorb nutrients and reduce inflammation. Pro tip: choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. Skip the sugary flavored ones. Add fresh berries or nuts for taste, and aim to enjoy it at least 3 to 4 times a week, especially as an evening snack. Number 9. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines offer omega-3, specifically EPA and DHA, that combat inflammation, a major cause of muscle breakdown. A 4-ounce serving of salmon gives you 20 grams of complete protein and boosts your muscles' sensitivity to protein, making what you eat more effective. Studies show that seniors who eat fatty fish twice a week experience significantly less muscle loss over time. These fish are also rich in vitamin D, crucial for muscle strength. If preparing fish is tough, high-quality fish oil supplements are a good backup, but whole food is always better. Number 8. Eggs. Eggs are affordable, easy, and packed with complete protein. One large egg has 6 grams, and half of that is in the yolk, along with nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and leucine. Leucine is the key amino acid that stimulates muscle protein synthesis, even in aging muscles. Recent research found that eating whole eggs after exercise produced 40% greater muscle-building response than eating egg whites alone, and the old cholesterol fears? Debunked. Up to 7 eggs per week is not only safe, it might even help your cholesterol profile. Try 1 to 2 eggs a day, especially at breakfast. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds, aren't just healthy snacks. They're packed with plant-based protein, healthy fats, and key minerals like magnesium and zinc. Magnesium supports muscle contraction, and zinc helps produce testosterone, which is essential for maintaining muscle, even in older adults. Walnuts offer plant-based omega-3, while vitamin E in most nuts protects muscle cells from oxidative damage. Eat 1 to 2 ounces daily. Choose unsalted varieties and pre-portion them to avoid overeating. They're calorie-dense. Number 6. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes provide 15 grams of protein per cup, plus resistant starch that feeds good gut bacteria, important for reducing inflammation that causes muscle loss. They also contain iron, potassium, and magnesium, which support oxygen flow and energy production in muscles. Seniors who eat legumes 4 times a week maintain significantly more muscle over time. Start slow to avoid bloating, and soak dried beans to reduce gas-causing compounds. For convenience, choose low-sodium canned beans and rinse them well. Number 5. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard aren't just for salads, they're muscle savers. Their secret? Nitrates. Your body converts these into nitric oxide, which boosts blood flow to muscles and helps deliver nutrients. They also provide magnesium, potassium, and calcium, all vital for muscle contraction. Plus, they're high in vitamin K, which supports protein metabolism and muscle function. Eat at least 2 cups daily. Add to smoothies, soups, or just sauté with garlic and olive oil. Number 4. Olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, isn't a protein source, but it's powerful against inflammation. It contains oleocanthal, which works like ibuprofen to reduce the chronic inflammation that breaks down muscle over time. It also improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body use protein more effectively, and supports hormone production. For best results, consume 2 to 3 tablespoons daily. Use it for salad dressings, drizzling over veggies, or light cooking. Number 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants that protect muscle cells from damage. They help manage inflammation, boost collagen production, and support faster recovery after activity. 1 cup a day, fresh or frozen, can improve muscle function and protect your connective tissues. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies, or just enjoy as a natural dessert. Number 2. Lean beef. Lean beef is packed with high-quality protein, leucine, creatine, iron, and B vitamins. It directly stimulates the mTOR pathway, the body's muscle-building signal, which becomes less responsive with age. Beef also provides creatine, crucial for muscle energy, and something our bodies make less of as we age. Choose lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin, and eat 2 to 3 servings per week. Grass-fed options offer more omega-3 and less inflammation. Number 1. Whey protein. Whey protein is the most effective food for stopping age-related muscle loss. It's fast-digesting, rich in leucine, and overcomes the muscle's resistance to growth signals. In studies, seniors who took whey protein preserved 40% more muscle, even without exercise. And when combined with resistance training, the gains multiply. Whey also improves blood flow, insulin sensitivity, and reduces inflammation. Take 20 to 30 grams daily, especially after any physical activity. Look for whey isolate or concentrate with no added sugars. If you're dairy sensitive, hydrolyzed whey may work better. These are the 10 best foods to protect your muscles after age 60. Remember, this isn't about just looking good. It's about staying independent, preventing falls, and maintaining your quality of life. Start adding these foods to your diet today and reclaim your strength. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments. Which of these foods do you already eat regularly? Have you noticed any improvements in strength or energy? We'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching.